That's scary.
That's very scary. And when you understand that for a fact, it makes people start to take action now. Most people don't understand that.
Right.
For example, in the UK, they increased the retirement age by 2 years a few years ago. So now you have to be 67 to get your pension, because simply the government don't have enough money to pay the pensioners, because people are living longer now.
Right.
You know? And you know, the economies around the world crash because governments cannot afford to pay the welfare and things like that. I mean, if you look at the UK, the government's spending £22 million an hour on welfare. That's ridiculous, you know? You even get paid £120 a week to be an alcoholic. That's how crazy it is now. Because it's so politically correct that the world's gone just the other way, you know? And once people, what I do is I educate people about that. And I do it over a spaced amount of time so people can actually get it in a simple way.
Right.
And once they get that, then a lot of those people actually say, right, I need to do something about this now.
Right.
So for me personally, I'm giving a service out there. And I love that, because if I help one person become financially free, that for me is everything, you know?
Right.
Yeah.
And you've actually written a book on that, right? On being financially free and independent.
I wrote a book. My first book was about personal development in terms of sales and communication. That became a #1 bestseller.
Right.
I'm on the second book now. It's called The Financial Freedom Guarantee.
Right.
So I'm just going through that now.
Right.
So what I talk about in my workshops is actually write that down so people can actually get know the information.
Right.
Yeah.
And you've done this very successfully in Malaysia, I understand. And
I invested in property all over the world.
Right.
And in property, you have to understand when it's going to go down and when it's going to go up. So once you study that, you can actually make a lot of money, but also, most importantly, you can actually hold on to a property that gives you cash flow for the rest of your life.
Right.
You know,
so
you could retire on 3 properties.
So
you could replace your salary.
Money for nothing?
Yeah, in a way. See, people are not educated to get money for nothing, are they?
Right.
They're educated to trade time to get a salary.
Yeah.
Right. So when you present that to them, they can't really get that, and that's why they have to be conditioned to actually understand that that is the truth, that you can do that, you know.